Now, I bet you're wondering, how'd we get into this mess? Well, I'll tell you, that's a hell of a story that starts a little something like this.
We're gonna get out of here because we carpooled.
Like, you were at an adult sleepover.
Be quiet. You were at a sleepover.
She got down on all fours in her finery and ate her children, okay?
Yeah, maybe.
Seriously!
We're talking about werewolf.
Trampoline park on cocaine, dude. Go to a trampoline park with 8 middle school boys.
Plants have one root.
Plants have, famously, a single root in a Disney movie.
A tree is just a tube that goes into the ground.
He lit a stick of dynamite in his Honda Civic. Dude, and now they're married. So when we started,
I don't want to do.
Yeah.
There's no point. I don't want to.
What if I make Brennan honor my nat 20, which is just Pinocchio, the door opening, me holding Pip, knowing I have a nat 20, and then just going, where the white women at? Murph, tell me about this tube.
He's talking about the tube.
It's just a tube.
Tell me about this tube.
The words of the tube.
Anti-trans?
To get us right on track at the top, does Gerard have ass?
3 blind mice, and just take one more look at Lou's stepmom.
every time.
Because instead of a kiss, it's
Okay.
a spray.
I get the spray.
This sucks. It's finished so fast.
Spider this episode,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Zach,
Hey, Zach.
could I please have a lit cigarette? You give me a
Chaos
pack
is
of
returned.
gushers and you say action, this is what you get.
Oh, speaking of glass.
Roosters bite to get a good hold to make baby.
I'll tell you what, gang. It happened.
We're getting off point. Brennan, why'd you make this woman piss herself?
Is there a teen in here?
Oh my God, is there a Dutch teen running around?
He
Also, can
splits
we be
into
real?
like
I don't think there's
Bill's
anything-
baby mitosis.
Feed off.
Zach, will you stop it?
What's going on?
Whoa.
It really is like the most unnatural thing, a mother eating her children, because the
Yes.
child's supposed to.
Especially like
I have been thinking a lot. I've been thinking.
Is this,
Yeah, a little bit.
Do you guys know that a frog's asshole is called a vent?
event.
Bet your life savings. Hot milk and onions. A real dish you can get in the UK or not.
100%.
Goes about
Joe
way
Biden, ultimate boss of Super Smash Brothers.
Say hi, Intrepid Heroes.
The corn is high, and so is the thermometer.
Sweating like a Coke bottle at a barbecue, Jack. I'll tell you that right now.
No.
So it's
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lou. Here it is.
I'll roll this in front of the board.
Yeah.
Now 20.
How do you piss in full plate
As a woman.
armor as a woman?
Homies are showing up at the gate, right?
Yeah.
And then
They fight the furniture.
what?
Yeah, dude, in armor.
I murder someone.
You're the best. You look fucking hot as a frog.
Last
Oh,
fight
huh?
started with them hearing us. This fight.
I got just as good a chance as rolling good as
Scrappy-Doo energy.
Okay, so look at the jugs on that one.
It's gonna be both of you. You got
I went off-roading for about 45 minutes, and then I paid $4,500 to go to a bird show. And I'll tell you, it was... Party, is
Rick,
everyone
we're gonna
here?
hear about the bones.
Yeah, we're
Was
about
it just
to hear about the
This
bones.
is just that there's bones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Can any of the crew smell it?
I am the author.
No, I was canceled in the music industry, but that doesn't stop me here.
The white women have been found.
And everyone was like, huh. And then only Siobhan went,
Gosh.
It's like when you throw a rock at a friend and you're like, this will be so funny that I scared them, and it hits them in the head and it's a young girl.
Sorry, I can't hear you. I have lips made of the sea.
Okay.
I didn't
Oh my God, it went in my mouth.
Horror is the expression of something profound and deep within all of us that knows that, you know, when you get scared, it's bad.
If we were to ask Plug where he pissed, where do you think he pisses? He pisses in his pants.
Yeah.
What?
Did you like that?
I had a rash when I got home.
Wait, hold on. The war in Ukraine is over. I'm not kidding.
And to the kids at home,
You are maniacs.
He's also just a big ass frog named Gerard.
They don't have pea-scented Axe body spray in the United States.
They actually don't, right?
No
Like a
one
black
wants
man.
Pinocchio to find where white women are at more than me, okay?
A moment that I missed because I started pole dancing.
Oh.
Wow.
my daughter,
Oh, yeah.
come back.
Yeah, if you...
Lou, did you have something you wanted to say?
Lou, do you have something to... What is it, Lou? What's...
Let me tell you, you have not experienced a show until you've seen a bunch of creatures that literally don't experience pleasure from sex donating all over the floor.
No bits.
We're good.
Bits over.